The next question is, a ferry carries passengers to Rock of Vivekananda and back from Kanyakumari. The distance of Rock of Vivekananda from Kanyakumari is 100 kilometers. One day the ferry started for Rock of Vivekananda with passengers on board at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. After 90 minutes, the crew realized that there is a hole in the ferry and 15 gallons of seawater had already entered the ferry. Seawater is entering the ferry at the rate of 10 gallons per hour. It requires 60 gallons of water to sink the ferry. At what speed should the driver now drive the ferry so that it can reach the Rock of Vivekananda and return back to Kanyakumari just in time before the ferry sinks? Given current of the sea water from Rock of Vivekananda to Kanyakumari is 2 km per hour. Option A, 40 km per hour towards the rock and 39 km per hour while returning to Kanyakumari. Option B, 41 km per hour towards the rock and 38 km per hour while returning to Kanyakumari. Option C, 42 km per hour towards the rock and 36 km per hour while returning to Kanyakumari. And option D, 35 km per hour towards the rock and 39 km per hour while returning to Kanyakumari. Now, as soon as 60 gallons of water fills in ferry, it will sink. Now, since 15 gallons of water is already filled in, so only 45 gallons of water is needed to sink. Further, we know that water enters at the rate of 10 liters per hour. So water enters at the rate of 10 liters per hour. So we have a maximum of 4.5 hours before the ferry sinks. In the first 1.5 hours, the ferry has travelled 1.5 into 20 minus 2, that is 27 kilometers, as it was going against the stream. Therefore, in the remaining 4.5 hours, the ferry has to traverse 73 kilometers, that is 100 minus 27, till it reaches V and 100 kilometers till it comes back to K, that is Kanyakumari, and V is the Rock of Vivekananda. Now we can go through the given choices. So for option A, (73 by 40 minus 2 plus 100 by 39 plus 2), so it will take 4.36 hours. For option B, total distance 73 by speed 41 minus 2, we are subtracting 2 because it is going against the stream, plus 100 by 38 plus 2 is equal to 4.37. Now we are adding this 2 since it is now coming with the stream, so its speed will increase. Now for option C, 73 by 42 minus 2 plus 100 by 36 plus 2 is equal to 4.46, and option D, 73 by 35 minus 2 plus 100 by 39 plus 2 is equal to 4.63. Now option D is invalid as ferry will sink, since it takes more than 4.5 hours. Now as per options A and B, ferry reaches too early to save time, which is unnecessary as ferry has 4.5 hours to complete its trip. So for option A and B, the ferry reaches too early. So the correct option is option C.